13 today, 14, I guess 14. Mill Parkway and half of the Berezano Bridge only. We're gonna get closer. The island on the left, and it's completely covered by the fog. And then we have a right lane going to the bridge, Berezano Bridge, and that's a half of bridge only today. Now it's a little bit more. And the ship working on the harbor.